Hey guys, today I sent you guys, my VIPs, a flat file because I had an idea for you guys. This is so easy to cut, so easy to put together. It's a couple of these fun little ticket pieces. You can see they've got folds in them and you can glue them together like this. And I'm just going to quick glue them together. And while I do, I'm going to tell you, if you are not part of my Silhouette VIP group, you can absolutely join for free. And that is where I send all of my free files. I send weekly files to you guys in order for you guys to get something free from me so that you guys can make. And I do this every single week. And then I try very hard to find some time to do a video for you guys so you can see how to make it. Look how cute these fun tickets are. These are really big, so you can make them smaller if you want. And then it also came with this other ticket, and it has like the fun, like, do you see the cute little notches on the side? So if you want to be part of that VIP group, all you have to do is go click on my profile and click on VIP and join there. Or you can go to my website at karinagardner.com and click on exclusive VIP and join there. So, and I send you guys weekly free files. So this is the file this week, and it's not crazy and hard to put together, but if you are stuck inside, I thought, what a fun project to do with your kids or for your kids. So you could cut out several tickets and you could give them a series of tickets and put out, I thought it would be fun to do a movie night and put out a little buffet of food. And every ticket, like maybe one you draw a silly or you write on it, like this one's for ice cream, this one's for popcorn, and they can turn in a ticket for the popcorn or the ice cream. It's such a silly little idea, but it just like takes, you know, you probably have already been watching movies every night. It just takes it up a notch and makes it like a fun game. Do you know what I mean? Or maybe you give everybody a ticket and say, this is for, maybe you give them 5 tickets and then this is for this movie, this night downstairs. This is for, we played with our family. We played a game of, have you guys heard of this toilet tag? It's where you have to hold your hands out and they have to flush your hand to get unfrozen. Have you guys played that? We played it in my mother-in-law's backyard because that's where we're staying right now. And it was hysterical. We were laughing so hard. So maybe you could put on here a game of toilet tag, maybe just regular tag. But I thought these tickets would be a fun way for you guys to think outside the box of things you could do with your kids to make things just a little more fun, to change up the everyday, especially as we're all at home every day. So anyway, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're staying safe, and I will see you soon.